In this video, you will see how to group pictures and shapes in Word document. Let's get started. First, go to the Insert tab, then Pictures, and select the picture from your computer and insert it in the Word document. After inserting the picture, go to the Insert tab, select the shape of your choice, and then draw a shape on the picture. Note that this image is not movable, and when you press and hold the shift button, you can select the shape but not the image. So at this point, we cannot group them together. To group them together, first you need to click on the image, then right click, go to the wrap text option and select in front of text. Now the shape will go backside of the image. To send this image at the backside, right click on the image, go to send to back option and then select send to back. So this will send the image back and bring the shape forward. Now you can press and hold the shift button on your keyboard. Click on the image to select it. Don't release the shift button. Hold it and then click on the shape. So as you can see, now we have selected both image and shape. Now right click on the selection and here you will see now the group option is appearing. Just click on the group and now both pictures and shapes are grouped. Now you can move the group picture and shape together in the Word document anywhere you want. You can also resize according to your need. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.